Hello everyone, Tony here as always on the Tony Trades channel. I have to warn you, today's strategy won't be very easy. I'll explain how it works and what it's capable of. But if you don't have basic understanding of trading, you're unlikely to fully grasp what I'm talking about. Of course, I'll do my best to explain everything as clearly as possible. But if you need more knowledge, join my free group on Telegram. I created this community specifically to help beginners learn more about trading. Discover the basics, understand fundamental indicators, strategies, and much more. So if that's what you need, follow the link in the description below or scan the QR code on the screen. I put a lot of effort into developing my communities. Thank you for supporting me. Now, let's break down the strategy. Today we'll break down a trading strategy that uses the Keltner Channel indicator. We will also be using the SMA in our strategy. We add two moving average indicators and the Vortex indicator. First, we configure the moving averages. For the first one, we set the period to 6, change the line to color blue, make it a little bolder, and then click Save. For the second SMA, we set the period to 14, make the line more red and bold, then click Save. Now, we configure the Keltner Channel indicator. We set the periods to 15, 12, and 2. We remove the middle line, which we won't need, and change the other lines of the indicator to white. Click Save. Without waiting for any additional signal, I can open a trade for a short. Now, I'll explain why I did that. First, it's a crossover of our first and slow SMA with periods of 6 and 14, which indicates a reversal signal. And also, the Keltner Channel. The Keltner Channel indicator measures the volatility of asset prices and helps determine the trend direction. It consists of three parts. The central line is the EMA, the upper line and the lower bands are the ATR, average true lines, and price fluctuation. It consists of three parts. The central line is the EMA, and the upper and lower bands are the ATR, average true range of price fluctuations. Asset prices usually move between these bands, sometimes breaking through them and giving us a signal. In this case, we are using the Keltner Channel indicator as a channel to understand the trend direction. In the meantime, the first trade has closed. Great result! Let's try and find another signal. An SMA crossover has occurred, and although the Keltner Channel is directed upward, a trend reversal may be happening now. I open a sell trade because the red line of the Vortex indicator is above the central line. We see a good, clearly formed red candle, and everything suggests that the downward movement may continue for a while. You can use 1-minute candles and adjust the expiration time since some assets move faster and have higher volatility while others are less active. So we might run out of time. Since our trading strategy carries a high level of risk, a loss compensation system can be applied. However, the trade closed positively. Let's move on. Speaking specifically about the Keltner Channel indicator, it has several signals. The first reversal signal appears when the price fluctuates near the upper or lower band, making a reversal likely. We had a breakout of that line and everything points to the upward movement. In this case, it is best to support the movement and not open trades in the opposite direction, which is exactly what I'll do. I'll open a buy trade. The second signal from the Keltner Channel indicator is trend confirmation. When the price breaks through the upper or lower band, it indicates a strong or weak market trend. At the moment, the price has broken through the upper boundary of the channel and we are trading with confirmation from the SMA. The blue line is above, which signals buying opportunities. The Vortex indicator shows a bullish direction. The green line is above the middle, and we see a strong candle on which our trade closes with an excellent result. This is how the strategy works. Let me repeat. If anything you saw was unclear, join my Telegram community, where you'll find a lot of useful information, or even write to me directly in my private messages. I really want to help you understand. I have a small private group where I personally help people figure out everything. There are only a few spots, but some are still available, so don't hesitate. Reach out. It's all free. If you don't believe me, check for yourself. That's it from me for now. Thank you for watching, for your like and comment. Wishing you a great day and good luck.